Trenem Tingting Part 1, Lesson 4. You come to Lesson 4, Practice lo step lo critical thinking. Stample lo lesson, Italian. You practice good lo work lo scale mo story, lo finding all information, mo work out one last thinking. So lo lesson niya, pa you practice now, iku lo show him calico back again, we show him all road lo think about scale him, walk him out, remind him all get there where you tell him finish, say last thing you must follow good all information, more you must use every information where you start. So now you practice blow carry out all information, more use all information blow come lo one last thing where straight. All example, only got all information where you stop, only listen, more one outlaw all information, hemi last thing. So work blow getter, hemi blow work them out, say which one now, hemi last thing. More purpose blow all activity or exercise, hemi blow look how now you join him all information, blow tell him one last thing where is straight. Lo in below page 12, you got one talk where you tell him sabe good, say lo all example, plenty example where you go through la him, all information you come first time, after last thing is the last one. There you got one example where you last one now, where last thing and come first time, more all information you come behind. So all you tell him outlaw or elder Tom, straight man blow come leading elder, last thing. Or not for information where you come behind, blow support them last thing yeah. So just go through all exercise with them, all get them more. Make sure say all is have one way you sing out them information, more one way you sing out them last thing.